Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will be talking about the Cosmos network. This video is not a financial advice, it is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the website of Cosmos. You can access it by going to cosmos.network. As per the website, it is the internet of blockchain. It's an ever-expanding ecosystem of various interconnected apps and services that is built for a decentralized future. So Cosmos apps and services are connected using IBC, which means the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol, and this innovation would actually allow freely exchange of various assets and data across multiple blockchain networks. It is community owned and operated. You can enter a universe of connected services. Over $52 billion of digital assets are kept under management. The Cosmos Hub is a blockchain that would provide an important service to the interchain. Cosmos Hub is a blockchain that would provide a very important service to interchain. So when it comes to marketplace, it is set to operate a next generation decentralized exchange where you can swap your digital assets from various interchain at a lower fees and instant transaction confirmation. They have security provider, so with the upcoming interchain security feature, Atom will be used to secure many chains in exchange for staking rewards. They have a router, so the core commission of the hub is to connect chains by establishing IBC connections with compatible chain and operating a decentralized bridges with chains like Ethereum and Bitcoin. When it comes to custodian, it is located at the crossroad of the interchain. The hub is extremely secure and the best place to hold digital assets and manage various accounts in multiple chains. It is secured by Atom, so in return for securing the services on Cosmos Hub, the transaction fees and staking rewards will be distributed among the stakers. They have Cosmos SDK, which is the state-of-the-art blockchain framework that would power the Cosmos Hub and its expanding orbit of chains. So developers out there can use the SDK to build various applications that would create value through their exchange within the hub. So right now, 99% lower carbon footprint has been achieved. The lowest fees that they charge is $0.01. They have 7 seconds of transaction speed, so that's really good. The focus is on decentralized finance applications, meaning creating exchanges, marketplace that would allow anybody around the world to buy, trade, invest, and lend. They have a resilient autonomous organization which would empower the community to organize and allocate resources to the members. They have game economies which is owned by the players out there, so you can create in-game assets that will be available forever, and you can bring a really good value to the gamers by letting them take their loot to another game or into the real world out there. This is the developer portal, so also known as Cosmos Academy. So if you want to discover how to use the Cosmos SDK to build applications within a specific blockchain, you can use this. So that's really good. This actually allows anybody out there who has a developer experience to get into the world of Cosmos. They have various tutorial and articles that are going to guide you through the process. Currently, they have various tools that you can use. So they have Cosmos SDK, which is a framework for building any public blockchains out there. They have Tendermint Core, which is a blockchain consensus engine and application interface. They have Ignite CLI, which is an all-in-one platform where you can build, launch, maintain apps on a secured blockchain. They have IBC, which is industry standard protocol for inter-blockchain communities. They have Cosmos, which is a smart contracting platform which is built for the Cosmos ecosystem. They have Cosmos Hub as well, which is a software that would power the Cosmos Hub, the heart of the Cosmos network and the home of the Atom token. This is the Cosmos SDK documentation, and over here you're going to find more insight into how SDK works. It is one of the world's most popular framework for building various applications on specific blockchains. When it comes to the Cosmos token, they do have a market capitalization of 51.66 billion US dollars. They have 49 app and services, so that's really good. When you go down, you're going to see name of all the tokens. So we have Binance Coin, OKX Chain, Crypto.com Coin, Cosmos Hub. You can see the ticker symbol as well, the price, the 24-hour trading volume, the market cap, and all of that fun details. You can also start staking, which is a really good way for you to earn Atom tokens using various cryptocurrency exchanges that are currently supporting the token. So when you go over here, you can see Cosmos is listed on FTX, Binance, Coinbase Exchange, OKX, Huboi Global. So really good. The idea is that to list it in as many exchanges as possible so more people have access to it. You can also choose a wallet that would suit your need, create an account and transfer an atom from an exchange. You can select your validators whom you want to delegate your Cosmos to, and once you lock up your Cosmos, you can stake it and get impressive rewards out of it. They also have governance system, meaning if you stake atom, you also get right to participate in various decision-making protocols in the system. They have gravity DEX, which will allow the users to swap various digital assets coming from all over the interchain, and this service will also improve the existing design by combining the automatic market maker features just like Uniswap has with an order book based model, which would provide for a richer and efficient trading experience. They do have Gravity Bridge, so it is backed by billions of dollars of atoms staked on the Cosmos hub. It will be a more secure and efficient and decentralized cross-chain in Ethereum. It will also allow Cosmos assets to flow into the Ethereum ecosystem as ERC20 token. This is the Twitter page of Cosmos. As you can see, they have a following of almost 500,000 people, and over here they make regular updates about the new stuff they are working on, so definitely check it out. Overall, I really like Cosmos. I feel it is a really great platform. It's an internet of blockchain and I'm really excited about it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a good one. Till then, take care. Bye.